Alright, welcome to the overview for the coming soon page. This is the same exact page that we used for the launch of LaunchShark and the coming soon page here. So to customize this page, pretty simple. Same exact thing as before. You can customize every element here, the little call to action, the headline, the subheadline, your video here is set to a margin to raise up here. So if you want to change the border of this video, you would click the square and then come down to the color, and here's the color that matches this background out here, and then you would save it and add your video. You just click on the pencil, and the pencil again once you're in here, and then you can add your YouTube link, or you can enter your embed code right here and then save it. And then once you're done, update it and your video will be in there. Calendar, same deal. If you want to change the color of this around the box, you go to the square, because all this stuff is in a feature box creator. So to change the outside of the box, you go to the advanced settings. You can change the width, the margin on the top and the bottom, the padding, and then here's the border color. You can set an actual color for the inside too with these two. I just have the color set at blue, and the thickness you can change, and the radius, which is how round the corners are. If it's a total square or rectangle, it's going to be set to 0. It has a little bit, the bigger the number here, the more round the corners will be. So this button is the overlay optimizer, same thing as in the other videos. This, you click the square to customize the button text in the actual button. When you click on the button, what comes up is what you edit with the pencil, and it's similar to the other opt-in forms that we have. You just click on each thing to change it in here. Same thing down here, pretty self-explanatory. You can remove this image and put your own. These work the same way. You just click on the pencil, switch out your image, click on the pencil, write your bullets all the way down. Now if you don't need all these rows, or you need more rows, what you can do is just duplicate, which is right here, the 2 pieces of paper, clone row, and now if you scroll down, there's 2 of them. If you don't want this many rows, you can, all these modules are in separate rows, so you can just delete the whole entire row and the title to that row, or add more just by cloning the row. Down here is the launch. You would just enter in your information there, reserve your spots. The same button is at the top, just basically says something different. This background image is parallax. I forgot to mention that. So you can change that image over here in the page settings, and then other scripts, and then that is this piece of CSS right here saying row 1, which is the very top row that this image is at. Here is the image right here. Now if you want to change that background to a different background, all you need to do is paste the URL in right here and then update it, and then that will change this background to your background. And that pretty much wraps up this template. So thanks for watching.